Hi, Craig from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a Holden VU SV6, stock reference number 2816C. This particular ute was produced between the 8th month 2009 and the 4th month 2013. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine with an engine code of LLT with an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6. And to find out what type of engine you have, we need this little plate down here behind the air cleaner box. Just down there, we'll tell you, LLT. This ute's got a nice clean bonnet, doesn't appear to have any damage. Nice clean grille. There's a right hand headlight and fog light. Front bumper appears to be in quite good condition. A few stone chips in that, nothing unusual. Good left hand headlight, SV6, and fog light. Nice clean left hand front guard. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy wheels, all with average tyres. Nice clean left hand front door. Good left hand electric door mirror. Non-cad type, non-puddle type. Nice clean right hand front door. Nice clean right hand front guard. This one has a electric right hand door mirror, non-cad type, non-puddle type. This ute is fitted with a cloth interior. It has an airbag kit. Pair of black bucket seats. And they have a bit of a cigarette burn there. Something. Factory floor mats. Leather steering wheel. Good Ks in this one. 80,000 Ks. Display screen. Factory SV6 stereo and heater controls. Automatic transmission. At Total Parts Plus, we have a real warranty, which we uphold. We also ship parts Australia-wide daily. You can find us via our website, totalpartsplus.com.au, or our eBay store, Total Parts Plus One. We also use social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, so you can jump on there, give us a like and a follow, or you can just pop by our Coopers Plains warehouse and say hello to one of our friendly sales staff. And we'd like to thank you for watching our video today.